Hello there. So today we want to look at something special. I have a proposition, something like a project. I have a few reasons as to why I think there is no straight line in this world, or a straight line does not exist. I think a straight line doesn't exist. A straight line does not exist. And I have my own reasons, which I will give it to you. Mathematical reasons. So you can follow and subscribe to the channel for more. So a straight line. You all know what is a straight line. If you have a combination of first of all, a line is formed by dots. If you have dots which are aligned on the same plane, will form a straight line. And at any given point of a straight line, at any given point, if you draw a perpendicular, another line which is perpendicular to that line, you find that the angle will always be 90 degrees. So straight lines, the reason as to why I'm saying a straight line does not exist in terms of dimension. In terms of dimension, it is one dimensional. We all know that a straight line is one dimensional, which is false. A straight line cannot be one dimensional, because the moment you say a straight line is one dimensional, then it is false. How so? In my own opinion, I think a straight line is two-dimensional. It is two-dimensional. Because the moment I have a straight line, let's say I draw a straight line, let me use this one. Let's say I draw a straight line like this. I have my straight line from this point up to this point, from point A to point B. This line, it has length. Another thing, this line, it also has the width. Why am I saying so? Because however much this distance can be small, but I think, and I know very well, which I'm very sure, that there is a width. It's like this pen. This pen is straight. This one is a straight line. It's just the difference is the thickness of this line and this line are very different. This one is very small, maybe in terms of millimeters, while this one is thick, maybe in centimeters. So you'll find that the thickness varies. If I have, let's say, another line, I draw another line here, a straight line. So you will agree with me that this line is also straight. Yes, it is straight. It also has length, and it also has the width. It has the thickness, but this one also has the length, and the thickness is very, very thin, but it has also the width. So the dimension is 2. So we cannot say that a straight line is one dimensional. In my opinion, that is false. Another reason as to why a straight line doesn't exist, we are saying that for a straight line to exist, if you have a straight line at any given point the angle is 90 degrees. But then again, if you try to take your compass and protractor and draw some arcs, if you draw an arc of radius which is 10 centimeter from a fixed point, let's say this one is your fixed point, and you draw an arc. Let's say this one is, you have another straight line there, then you have a point here, you draw an arc, and again increase the radius to a certain distance, and again stand with your compass and also draw another arc, then move again, increase the radius again, then draw another arc. So you'll come to realize that when you draw the tangent at this point where those arcs cuts that line, draw the tangent here, again you come and draw another tangent here, and again you come and draw another tangent here. We're going to realize that this distance that appears to be straight, that part with the tangent which is in contact with that arc that appears to be straight, the distance will be increasing proportionally. It will be directly proportional to the radius. As the radius increases, also that distance which appears to be straight also will be increasing. If you try these experiments, then it just means that these whatever we are calling straight lines, these are just part of an arc, just parts of arc, those parts which appear to be straight, but in real sense they are not straight lines. And also in the field of geometry and space, we know that our space is curved. So it means for you to have a straight line, it means when you extend this side and also you extend this side continuously without it means these two sides, they should not meet at any given point. But in the space of geometry, we're being told that if you extend these two sides continuously, then at some point they are going to meet. That disapproves the existence of straight lines. So straight lines doesn't exist. Let me know your comments, your reasons, and other findings that you may have that support this or that may disapprove this. Thank you.